Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Realme GT7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to share location on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just open our Google Maps. We have to allow access to our location, and we have to click on our icon. Now here we have to click share location, and now we can just send it whatever we want to, or we can just copy our location, and that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.